Wrinkles and creases are common sights when rugs that's been rolled up and stored for an extended period are eventually unfolded. Whether it's an old rug that's beginning to curl on the edges, or a recently washed area rug that's looking wrinkled and won't lie flat. Below are ways to flatten area rugs and remove dents. Ways to flatten a rug. 1. Reverse roll the rug. If the rug was initially rolled inward, you simply have to roll it outward so the curled and wrinkled fibers are forced to lay in the new direction. 2. Relax the fiber with heat or water. One of the best ways to flatten a rolled-up rug is to relax the fibers with heat or water. You can do this by steaming it up, sun-drying it, using a pressing iron. 3. Hold the rug down to flatten it out. Some of the best ways to hold your rug down include taping it down, placing a heavy object on the rug. How to remove dents from a rug. Spray some water on the dented area to moisturize and relax the dented fiber, then dry the area. Place an ice cube on the dented area and allow it to melt there. Spray the affected area with wrinkle removal spray, then fluff and dry. How to remove creases from area rugs. Heat and moistures are very effective for removing creases from area rugs. Place the rug in direct sunlight to relax the rug backing. You can make use of pressing iron or a hairdryer to remove creases. Steam cleaning can also be used to relieve creases on wool, cotton, and synthetic rugs. How to prevent future dents, wrinkles, and creases. To prevent future wrinkles, dents, curling, and creases on your rug or carpet, remember to occasionally move heavy furniture. Heavy furniture will leave dents on your rug if left in the same position on the rug for a long time. If occasional shifting of furniture won't be possible, try to rotate your area rug often to evenly spread out the wear on the rug.